Okay, the great people of Kakamega County, members of the press, ladies and gentlemen. Yesterday, I read in sections of the social media and later watched on television that the National Disciplinary Council of Amani National Congress, ANC, had suspended my membership from the party. They purportedly gave grounds for their action and without regard to due procedure, went ahead and signed for my indefinite suspension. I will not waste time to make legal rejoinders as to the irregularities and illegalities of their action, since I have not received any official communication from the party. I would like to focus my reply and address to the people of Kakamega. 1. ANC is an affiliate party of NASA Coalition, a political outfit recognized by law and whose memorandum of composition is filed at the Registrar of Political Parties. To date, ANC has not rescinded or vitiated this association publicly or privately. In the first stated agreement, members of affiliate parties were allowed to campaign for candidates within the coalition, their political parties notwithstanding. Second, during the 2017 general election, I was aggressively involved in campaigning for ANC, even without financial support from the party, crisscrossing 60 wards and 12 constituencies of Kakamega County. As a result, ANC garnered a majority of seats in the National Assembly and a considerable number in the County Assembly. This I did aware that certain members of the NDC were campaigning for opponents in rival parties. It is these same self-exalted officials that are purporting to institute disciplinary action against me. The party has deactivated mechanism of internal party democracy and is now hinged on firefighting its own members. In a nutshell, the party lacks leadership and is on autopilot on grave party matters, including but not limited to revitalizing and expansion of members through aggressive strategies. Fourth, the party leadership is hell-bent on trivializing pertinent issues and magnifying petty incidences, propagating double-speak and double standards in matters party discipline. The party has, to say the least, been hijacked by egocentric, and self-centered individuals incapable of accommodating divergent views and quick to profile self-opinionated leaders, rebels, and or moles. The party has disgraced from its commitment to work with other like-minded parties together with whom the NASA coalition was formed, but would love to enjoy the proceeds of the coalition thereof. Number 6, in the general election of 2017, Honorable Musalia Mudavadi, who is my party leader, while being aware of the quoted statutes and party constitution, vigorously and openly campaigned for a presidential candidate of a rival party, ODM. In fact, the ANC party leader was the campaign manager of the ODM presidential candidate, His Excellency Raila Amolo Odinga, the people's president. I find it paradoxical that Musalia Mudavadi was the campaign manager for an ODM candidate, yet he wants to condemn me for supporting one Imran Okoth of Kibra constituency. So I want to say here with no uncertain terms that I'm not apologetic when it comes to my support to Imran. 7th, on several occasions during the general elections of 2017, Honorable Musalia Mudavadi campaigned for candidates of other rival parties within NASA coalition, the evidence of which is well within our common knowledge. The values enshrined in the party constitution include but is not limited to sovereign independence of the party and its membership, but on several occasions, the party has allowed external infiltration and funding from other parties, which action compromises the integrity of the office bearers and lowers the performance of the party. I want to point out the example of financial support given by the Tangatanga Jubilee Party to ANC during the Kibra by-election. I attended the Kibra rally as a representative of NASA affiliate party and with the blessings of the coalition leader. That as a result, it is evident that there is no internal democracy in the party. There is no values as inculcated in the party. There is witch hunt in the party and petty jealous informing decisions held by the party. In conclusion, and this is the gist of my statement, I have consulted the great people of Kakamega County widely, and I'm convinced beyond reasonable doubt in my heart that this suspension is ill-advised and meant to serve sectarian interest within and outside ANC party. I therefore, as the senator for Kakamega County, dare the party leadership of ANC to compel or to complete the expulsion process they have started. I am ready to be expelled from ANC. I am ready for a by-election, and I'm very confident that I will capture back the seat with a landslide. So I want to dare, ANC. I am ready to relinquish my position as senator for Kakamega on an ANC ticket and seek election on a fresh ticket. And I want to assure them that I have never been a loser, and I'm not planning to be a loser anytime soon. So thank you, and may God bless you. With me, I have members from different parties. We have members from the ODM Kakamega branch, led by the vice chairperson. We have members from the Ford Kenya Kakamega branch. We even have members from KANU party. And we even have members from the Jubilee, the good Jubilee side of Kakamega, who are ready to work with me. So I'll give them an opportunity. I'll start with the chairman of the ODM party.
Yeah, Senator, members of the press, and general public, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
My name is Lucas Radolo Chami. I'm the vice chair ODM party, Kakamega County, and I want to take this opportunity to welcome my senator back to his original party, because when he was the member of county assembly in 2013, he made it on ODM party, and in fact in 2017 we regret he even beat our own candidate on ODM ticket, Mr. Seth Panyako. And Honorable Senator, I want to assure you that when you come back to the party, if you are in case you are suspended or dismissed from the party, you come back to the party of ODM, we shall support you and make sure that you win this seat with a majority number.
So we shall invite Ford Kenya to come here.
Good afternoon, members. My name is Honorable Shivemba Edward from Fort Kenya. We as Fort Kenya are also serving notice to Honorable Manala that in case you are dismissed from ODM, we are ready to accommodate you in Fort Kenya. We are ready to campaign for you in Fort Kenya and make sure that you will recapture your seat as the senator of this county through a Fort Kenya ticket. And I want to tell ANC party leader that in this country we are embracing youth leadership in this country. Yes. By them suspending a youthful leader from ANC party, it means ANC party is not actually in for the youths of this country. So the youth of Kakamega County, welcome to Fort Kenya, welcome to our senator, we are ready.
So next, Jubilee.
The good Jubilee.
Good afternoon, members. My name is Kevin Mahelo. I'm an MC on Jubilee ticket. As you've been told by our Senator Malala, the good Jubilee of Dr. William Ruto. And I'm standing here as a youth, an elected youth. And as youth of Kakamega, youth of Kenya will not sit as one of us is being intimidated. I want to challenge Honorable Musalia Mudavadi. You've been in this politics for many years. Kindly give space to youthful leaders like Senator Malala. And also, as a member of Jubilee, I'm seeing ODM and Ford Kenya are taking their time, but I'm asking Honorable Malala, we are ready to take you even now and capture this. Thank you.
Kwa majina mimi ni Mheshimiwa Naswa Lazarus Lucheveleli. Nataka kuambia watu wa ANC mahali popote walipo Kenya mzima, ile hesabu wamefanya wamepoteza, kwa sababu sisi kile watu tulikuwa naye kwa ODM na tunataka kumwambia rudi nyumbani. Hata kama tutaangalia mambo ya chama, wewe ukisimama hata na chama yote, hata kama ni ya kuku, hii kiti ya Senate pato utarudi nayo. So nataka kuambia Musalia, hesabu ile amefanya ni minus, na hata haipata candidate mwingine mbona atakuwa competitive kuliko Malala senator wetu wa Kakamega County.
Mama.
My name is Susanna Kinyomondi. I'm the chair lady of Lurambi constituency, which is the headquarters of Kakamega County, ODM. I am here saying this. I think Amani National Congress Party is a kiosk party where their bedroom is full of bed bugs. And Senator Malala was our son in ODM. He was molded in ODM. He was brought up well in ODM. And if you look at the health of Cleophas Malala right now, he looks very frustrated because of the bed bugs which are full in the bedroom of a kiosk party called Amani National Congress. I say strongly here that Senator Malala, we welcome you back home as our son, and we are ready for anything. Even if it is a by-election, we are ready like yesterday. We are going to make you a king, our leader, and that is all we've been waiting for. Thank you very much on behalf of the mothers of Kakamega County, ODM party. Thank you so much. Thank you.
As the chairman of Lurambi branch, I also echo the sentiments of my fellow politicians that what Musalia has done is very bad. This is an asset. Our senator is an asset that only a madman can think of losing. As in ODM, we are prepared. We want to usher him in, and going forward, we are going to work with him. Thank you very much.
My name is Mwalimu David Ikunza, MCA Shirere, Chairman Finance and Economic Planning. We want to thank Musalia Mudavadi to have closed his kiosk and open a supermarket for Mheshimiwa Senator Malala. And Mheshimiwa Malala is a youthful man who has all the daring to attack anything that is attacking and minimizing the youth things in Kenya. We want to say that Musalia Mudavadi is an instrument of division in the unity of Luyas in this country. Mheshimiwa Malala, you are welcome like yesterday to ODM.
Kwa majina naitwa Mheshimiwa Boniface Akosi, kiongozi kijana ambaye anasimama na senator, na ujumbe wetu ni kwa Mheshimiwa Musalia Mudavadi na chama chake cha ANC. Tulidhani Mheshimiwa Musalia Mudavadi atatetea uongozi wa vijana, lakini tumegundua kuwa Mheshimiwa Musalia Mudavadi hapendi vijana, na hatujaona makosa ya senata wetu wa Kakamega kwenda Kibera na kukampeni huko. Kama ANC hawamtaki, sisi watu wa Kakamega bado tunakubali atakuwa seneta wetu, tutasimama na yeye na tutafanya Kakamega ni bedroom. Sasa wewe Musalia Mudavadi, bedroom yako ikuwe ANC na mambo ya Kakamega usahau. Hatuna nafasi tena ya Musalia Mudavadi na hiyo kioski yake kukuja Kakamega na kuanza kusumbua watu wa Kakamega. This is not the first time Musalia is intimidating the youthful leadership of this great county, and we are not just going to sit and watch Musalia harass our young leadership. I know he's come of age, he's run out on ideas on how he can manage a political party. The best Musalia can do is to retire, to go back to Mululu and let the youth of this country run the politics of this country.
Kwa niaba ya chama cha NAT, mimi nikiwa katibu wa chama hiki, tumesitikika sana na kusononeka ukiwa na watoto wawili ambao ni maseneta. Chama cha ANC na seneta wawili, mmoja ni wa Vihiga, mwingine ni wa Kakamega. Utampigaje teke mtoto mmoja ubaki na mmoja? Kwa niaba ya walimu tunamwenzi, tunamkumbatia seneta wetu Cleophas Malala. Hata wakupige teke vipi, sisi kama walimu tutatumia njia zote kwa udi na uvumba kuhakikisha hiyo seneti unaikalia liwalo. Kwa hivyo mimi nataka kuhakikishia kuwa kwa niaba ya jamii ya walimu ambao wako nyuma yako, wewe ni kiongozi, una maono, ulisoma vizuri, labda kwa vile wewe ndio unachambua hiyo katiba vizuri, watu wengi hawapendi watu ambao ni sharp. Lakini sisi kama walimu nataka kuwashua kuwa tutakufa nawe, tutalala nawe liwalo. Asante.
Lastly, bodaboda and youth.
Habari yenu wote leo. Mimi ndio nimesikitika sana, mtu wa chini, mtu wa bodaboda. Na mimi kuhusu mambo ya senator, vile nilisikia jana kwa news, kama nimefunga yangu ya boda, nimekasirika sana kwa sababu watu wanaanzisha vitu na sisongi mbele. For example, kama Oparanya Cup, hakuna hiyo kikombe inaunganisha youth. Lakini mambo yenye senator anafanya, hata ukiuliza mtoto mdogo huko nyumbani anakuambia hii ni ya senator. Hata ukienda nyumbani t-shirt iko. Then youth wanajua kwamba huyu mtu hata tukimpe hii kiti kingine next ataperform. Na sisi senator tuko nyuma yako sana. Hii kiti kingine inakuja hii. Chukua, sababu huyu mtu anarudi penye ameweka malami huko. Yangu imeisha.
Okay, kwa majina naitwa Diego Bari na support I'm actually a supporter of the youth. On behalf of the youth of Kakamega, this is what I want to this is what I'll pass across to Mheshimiwa, our respectable Honorable Musalia Mudavadi. I want to remind you, one day who believes that friends should be also friends of his respective friends, and his respective enemies should also be enemies of his respective friends, is a dictator. We have not known you as a dictator, Mheshimiwa Honorable Musalia Mudavadi.